Hi, kings and queens. Saundra Fenwick, your mortgage consultant, coming on today to talk to you about different life events. It is our mission here at Mortgage Experts to make sure that anybody who wants to buy a house can. So it has been my passion to be able to educate people on the process. So we understand in the mortgage industry that people go through different life events. I've said that before in many videos, and I just want people to understand that if you want to buy a home and if that is your goal, then I am here to help you accomplish that goal. Now let's go over a few life events that happens and the guidelines on those things. Now, if you want to get a traditional loan, and that when I say traditional, I mean a QM loan, which is like your regular FHA, conventional, a VA, USDA, those types of loans that are what we call full document loans, then you do have to follow the guidelines when a life event happens. Now, a life event is like a bankruptcy. If you file Chapter 7 or Chapter 11 bankruptcy, you have to wait 2 years outside of your discharge date before you can purchase a home. Or before you can get a traditional mortgage. Now, if you have filed Chapter 13, then in some cases it's as little as 12 months. Chapter 13 is where you make arrangements with the bank or with the courts, and you're paying on these debts to get them down. So if you have a 12-month positive payment history on your agreement, then you may be able to qualify. Sometimes it's 2 years and sometimes it's 1 year, but again, every case is different. So I do want to reiterate that. Every loan is different. Not one loan that came through my door, and I've done several, has been the same. There's always a different case, a case-by-case basis. So these guidelines are here to guide us to make sure that the market doesn't crash again, and to make sure that the bank is being protected and you are being protected. So 2 years out of bankruptcy, Chapter 7, Chapter 11, Chapter 13 in some cases is 1 year. And if you have a foreclosure or a short sale, you have to wait 3 years before you can get a traditional loan. Now, those are the traditional QM loans. In the non-QM world, if you have the credit score and you have extra money to put down, then there are 1 day out of bankruptcy loans. There are 1 day out of foreclosure loans. There are different options for you, but be prepared to put down at least 20% on these loans. So again, we got you. If you recently filed bankruptcy, then you do have to wait 2 years from your discharge date. And if you had a short sale or a foreclosure, then you have to wait 3 years from your short sale or foreclosure date, from the day that that loan was closed or that sale was closed. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 301-326-7555. Thank you guys. Have a good day.